Hey guys, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com, and in today's recipe we'll be making this delicious, very much needed lamb stew. It's a northern recipe that's perfect for the upcoming cold days, and this lamb stew is a Norwegian version, so let's get to it. So guys, to begin, you want to go ahead and get your lamb chops. That's right, for this recipe we are using about 16 pieces of lamb chops because this serves about 8 to 10 people. Once you're done, go ahead and wash your lamb chop, then pat it dry. In a large bowl, go ahead and season it with salt and pepper. Toss it well to mix it and set it aside. And now we are moving along to the cabbage. Go ahead and cut your cabbage into quarters. Go ahead and rinse it out and let it sit. In the meantime, in a hot skillet, go ahead and sear your lamb chops until nicely golden brown. And you want to do this on both sides, and this should take about 2 to 3 minutes per side. You don't want the lamb to cook completely because you are going to slow cook it. And also guys, the food recipe is on the website. We're also showing step-by-step procedure on how to make this recipe with ease. Once you're done, go ahead and remove your lamb chops and set it aside and pour in 1 cup of water to deglaze the skillet. Next, add your lamb chops into the slow cooker or crock pot. Now you want to layer this, so you want to start off with lamb chops, then the cabbage, then season it with fresh whole pepper and salt to taste. Then repeat the process until you are done using your meat and as well as your seasoning and cabbage. Now to have a clearer broth, we do recommend that you allow the lamb to sit in ice water for at least 1 hour. So once you're done, go ahead and transfer the liquid from the skillet over the lamb chops and the meat. Then add in about 8 to 10 cups of water. Then cover with the lid. And cook it for about 4 to 5 hours. And that's it guys. This recipe was super easy and is perfect for those who want something tasty but without a fuss. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are new to our channel, thank you so much for watching. We would love for you to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Cheers.